Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can download mail from Outlook. It's quite easy. Very first thing you need to do is to just head over to left panel and choose the mail which you wanna download. This is the mail which I wanna download, so I can just click on that. Your mail will get open in preview window. So here we have these three dots just here at the top. Click on that, click on save as, and you will see two options, save as EML and save as MSG. We need to click on this one, save as EML. Once you've done that, you will see that your file explorer has opened. So just choose the location where you want to save this. I'm just going to save that on my download folder. You can rename the file if you want. I'll just leave that as it is and just click on save. File has been successfully saved on our computer. If I go and open that folder where we have saved that file, you can see that here. So we just need to double click on the file to open the mail. You can see that this is the downloaded version of the mail, and that's exactly how you can download your mail in Outlook. If you want to save this mail as a PDF file, you can do that too in Outlook. For that, again we need to click on these three dots. This time we're gonna click on print. So this is the preview of our mail. You can see that. Now we need to click on print here. Choose the location where you want to save this, and you can just name the file. I'm gonna type here, just for the sake of this video, ABC123. Then you can just click on save. If I again go and open the file explorer to see whether the file is saved or not, and yeah, here you can see they have saved the mail in PDF format. So yeah, that's it. These are two ways which you can use to download your mail from Outlook. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.